Todd here. It's a nice summer day out, getting ready. We're going to cook up some chicken on the griddle and make some chicken burritos tonight. Well, that's what we're going to do.
Yes, so that's what we thought is like we think that you guys are gonna love Todd behind the grill. That's his big expertise. So I hope you guys like it. So what's in the seasoning, Todd?
First of all, I've put some olive oil in here with the chicken. Now this is just a taco blend that we whipped up with some spices that we had in the pantry, and I'm going to show you what's in there.
Yeah, onion, garlic, cumin, chili powder, crushed red pepper, some cornstarch, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Did I miss anything, Todd?
No, I think that was it. I've got about 8 or 9 pounds of chicken breast here. Yep. So I'm just going to season it up with some of this before we throw it on the.
So now Todd is adding some of the
taco seasoning to the chicken. I used a little olive oil on there to help it stick a little more, a little better to it. I probably could have used a little bit bigger bowl here.
Yeah, we have more or less like 8-9 pounds of
chicken breast. Yeah, so and I just kind of eyeball, and I like to season my stuff up nice and strong.
Yes. There's some more spices here: some onion, garlic, cumin, chili powder, crushed red pepper, and cornstarch, cayenne pepper, and paprika. And Todd is mixing them nice and good. So we'll wait for that to be ready and then go on the grill.
Okay, we're gonna just get the chicken going here on the griddle. And now I'm just gonna throw in a can of diced green chilies with the juice and everything, and we're gonna work it around here on the grill.
How long are we gonna cook it for?
We're gonna cook it till it's done.
Flashy flavors, we don't have time, measurements, and we don't care about.
I don't know. I'd say it's probably gonna take me about 10 or 15 minutes to get this cooked. We'll cook it till we cut it in half and it's white all the way through. We don't want to overcook it so that it dries out, but we want to make sure that it's all the way done so no one gets sick.
So how is it looking, Todd?
We're getting there. Probably another 5 minutes and should be all done. That's one of the things I like about these griddles is you can cook a lot of stuff on them pretty quick. This has only probably been on for about 7 or 8 minutes now.
And here the final result.
All right, now everything is done. The chicken's cooked. Got all the fixings together, and now it's just time to put it together. And
so what's in there, Todd? What are you gonna eat? I know.
You know, I got chicken and cheese, some fresh cut jalapenos, some guacamole and sour cream. And I guess we'll toss a little bit of lettuce on there. I'm not a big lettuce guy. Mm-hmm. And then we're gonna finish it off here with a little bit of sriracha sauce.
And Buon Appetito.
Buon Appetito. And let's roll this bomb up and dig in.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next episode. Oh boy, this looks amazing.